All right, welcome. I don't even know what part this is anymore. This has been quite the experience of kind of like figuring out Node.js without knowing about it, and like it makes debugging pretty hard, but you kind of learn the hard way. So what happened? What had happened was is the is my routes were all busted up, right? So my routes, what I had to go ahead and do. Well, first I gotta reset my desktop here. Oh my goodness! Hold on, display. Display capture 3, we're going to set you in there. Now you can see that. I got to bring my face back in. But for some reason, every single day ChatGPT doesn't want, it's like today it's been logging me out, so I got to go back through here again. I put my face on here. I got to go back through here. I have to go into my email now. I have to get a login link because ChatGPT, it's kind of acting a fool. So I got a little login link. I'm going to put my face back here. This seems to happen quite often. I'm going to have to log in. So what was wrong was my routes were messed up. For some reason, it doesn't want to accept this public folder, so I had to just put everything in the root directory, which for now is okay. I just want to keep moving forward. I don't want to get stuck on any one thing. See, look, oops, something went wrong. Man, I don't know why. Why this is goofing me up here. But now I guess I can show you how it's all working. I'm going to rerun the server, grab the URL, and then I added these console prints when we run the route. So I've got the deal sifter, please sign in. You can sign in, and there you go. And then if I went like here /dashboard, it redirects me properly. So now here's my deal sifters dashboard, and what we want to do is on this dashboard we're going to build out our search function. So that's going to be the next chapter is going to be how can I load in this dashboard deals. And when I mean deals, I'm going to mean like commercial real estate deals. But the problem with LoopNet is that LoopNet, that's where everybody finds their deals, outside of what they get from maybe an email. I signed up with a bunch of brokers today to receive emails. But LoopNet, there's no granularity to the industry specific. Like, for example, if I wanted to buy a hotel, it's like I want to know occupancy rates. I want to know dollar per door. I want to know if there's room for an expansion next to the hotel or something like that. Or if I'm doing retail shopping plazas, if I'm doing, what I'm building here with the deal sifter is a industry specific and tailored deal sifting platform that I'm going to hopefully sell some subscriptions to. And then I'm going to personally load in or find a way to load in or incentivize people to load in the deals and the relevant metrics. I want to see cap rate right on there. I want to see, how much, I want to see the rent roll, already on there. I want to know if there's adjacent land for expansion, stuff like that. So that's kind of where we're taking this. It's really a shame that OpenAI, I guess it gave us this. Okay, it's going to give us that. So I can log in more or less. Let's see if this takes us anywhere. I'm trying to log in with one of my many Gmail accounts. What a shame. What a shame. It doesn't work. Drop a refresh. Oh, not the first disappointment of this series. So I'm going to take a break and check me in the next one. I just want to show you that this is all working, so we're in good shape. See you in the next episode.